Hi, we're on CSGO Skins. Today we're going to try to turn currency into a knife, basically going from zero to a knife. We'll also be using currency from the shop, and as you can see we have quite a lot of it here. But before that, remember about my promo code WIKI5, which gives you a 10% bonus when you top up. You get instant deposits with skins as well as giveaways from me. There are currently 10 giveaways available. That's actually quite a lot. It's around $250, almost $300. So there's really a lot to win, and all you need to do is deposit just $2. And let's begin by first purchasing a skin right here. And I truly believe we will acquire this particular AWP 3 separate times, actually. To be more precise, 2 distinct times, and then this specific skin here just once, which will ultimately provide us with a grand total of $20 whole. So that is indeed quite a substantial amount. The remaining funds we absolutely must utilize on these various modes here, and perhaps we shall allocate 5,000 to each instance or round. But will we actually manage to get something interesting here? Because so far I see it's pretty weak, really quite weak. We've only managed to collect $30 in total. It's not much, but we'll try to do something with it. Let's join in here to start. It's a pretty cheap battle, just under $4. Okay, it is starting off pretty well indeed. Wow, what exactly did they manage to acquire here? A P90 for just $3. I genuinely and truly did not expect them to actually win that particular item, but they absolutely did manage to do so. Oh, here we can try a low case on Jester mode. Maybe we'll actually manage to get that M4. Unfortunately, no. And we lose again because it was the underdog. But let's try the same battle here again, just 2 versus 2. And another unfortunate loss, but this time around it was actually a pretty weak performance. Here's a truly interesting battle unfolding before our very eyes, but unfortunately at this particular moment we simply cannot afford to participate. So we absolutely have to join someone else here in this challenging situation. Well, maybe here, placing $8 is pretty risky, but I sincerely hope that at least this time we'll manage to genuinely win something substantial. No, really. It's just not going my way at all. Look, I've only managed to get not even a full dollar in total. This is definitely a loss. Damn. Seriously? I'm doing really badly. Just look at how this looks. I'm losing all the battles. What is this supposed to be? I don't really know. Maybe I'll just go ahead and create my very own battle. Let's try this twice. Maybe this time we'll manage to be the underdog here. Please, we truly hope that this particular one will generously give us that highly coveted $30 sticker. Unfortunately, that sticker isn't here. By the way, this is an underdog, and this is probably a loss. No, really, I mean it. It honestly looks really truly bad, and it's quite concerning. And now, unfortunately, we literally have less than $4 left in our entire possession, so let's definitely try to find something suitable here, right now. Maybe we'll get lucky. These are actually the cheapest cases on the site. But we have quite a few of them, and by the way, this is an underdog, so maybe for the first time we'll get lucky here. However, it's a 4-person battle, so we could actually collect quite a bit, and maybe we'll win something cool. Although from what I see, we're currently getting the best results, really. There's still a chance to win this, but I doubt it. No, it's rather unlikely that we'll win this. They would both have to get a really good skin here, and I would have to get practically nothing. But unfortunately, that's not happening, and I'm losing this one. If things went differently, we would have had an extra $10 to try to do something with. But as it is, unfortunately, we have nothing. Thank you very much.